Imagine if someone had told you 10 years ago that you could make money by sitting at home on your couch doing absolutely nothing. Chances are you would have thought they were crazy. But today, with the rise of cryptocurrency, it's become a reality for thousands of people around the world. In fact, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get started with cryptocurrency today. So let's get into it. Welcome to Crypto Hoopoe channel, the #1 place to learn about cryptocurrency. Every single day, we take you closer to financial freedom by explaining topics of the cryptocurrency world using analogies, stories, and examples so that you can easily understand them. In this video, we're going to explain what cryptocurrency is and how you can start investing today. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. The first thing you need to understand is that crypto is just a new type of money. It's digital, which means you can't hold it in your hand, but it can be exchanged for goods and services just like the US dollar or any other currency. The main difference between crypto and traditional currencies like the US dollar or the euro is that crypto is decentralized. This means there is no central bank or governing body that controls it like the government or the Federal Reserve. Instead, it's controlled by the people. Yes, you and me. This may seem a little confusing, so let me explain. Imagine you and a few friends are playing a game together. You decide that whoever has the most coins at the end gets a prize. The coins are heavy, so you don't want to carry them around all day. So instead, you write down each person's name next to the number of coins they have. Then everyone goes off to play other games. Later, when you come back, you check the list to see who has the most coins and that person wins the prize. This is kind of like how crypto works. All the coins are stored digitally and the list of who has how many coins is shared with everyone. So we all agree on who has the most. This way, no one can cheat and say they have more coins than they actually do because everyone has a copy of the list. This is also known as the blockchain, which is a fancy word for a shared public ledger that keeps track of all the transactions. Now that you know what crypto is, it's time to learn how you can get some. There are two ways to do this. The first is to buy it from an exchange. Think of an exchange like a marketplace where people buy and sell things. You can think of it like eBay, except instead of baseball cards, people are buying and selling crypto. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Gemini. We recommend starting with Coinbase because it's easy to use and it's regulated, meaning it's safe. The second way you can get crypto is by mining it. This is a little more complicated, so I won't go into too much detail, but basically you're helping to keep the network secure by using your computer's processing power. In exchange, you get some crypto. If you want to learn more about mining, you can check out our video on it. So now you have your crypto, but how can you make money with it? Well, there are a few different ways. The first is by trading it. This is when you buy low and sell high. Just like stocks, the price of crypto can go up and down a lot, so you have to be careful. But if you're good at it, you can make a lot of money. The second way is by staking it. When you stake your crypto, you're helping to validate transactions and you earn interest on your crypto. Staking is a great way to earn passive income and it's relatively easy to do. Now that you know how to get and make money with crypto, it's time to get started. The best part is you don't need a lot of money to get started. You can buy as little or as much crypto as you want. And once you have it, you can either trade it or stake it to earn passive income. With the price of crypto going up and down so much, it's important to remember that it's a risky investment. But if you're willing to take the risk, there's no better time than now. If you'd like to learn more about cryptocurrency, make sure to visit our website where you can sign up for our online course. In this course, we teach you everything there is to know about cryptocurrency. We also have a team of experts available to help you 24/7. Plus, you'll get access to our exclusive community of crypto investors. If you're serious about making money with cryptocurrency, then this is the course for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. Also, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, make sure to visit our website, cryptohoopoe.com.